Understanding rooting hormones, a gardener's secret. Hello and welcome to today's learning journey. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of rooting hormones. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about how plants grow, this explainer video is crafted to make the concept of rooting hormones easy and enjoyable to understand. Let's cultivate our knowledge and grow together. Rooting hormones are substances that stimulate root growth in plants. They are used to encourage plants to develop strong, healthy roots. When a gardener wants to propagate a plant, which means creating a new plant from a piece of the existing plant, they often use rooting hormones. This could be from a leaf, stem, or even a small part of the root itself. The hormones make sure that the new plant grows roots quickly and is able to absorb water and nutrients effectively. There are mainly three types of rooting hormones. 1. Auxins. This is the most common type. It naturally occurs in plants and is synthesized for use in gardening. 2. Gibberellins. Less commonly used for rooting. These hormones promote stem elongation and growth. 3. Cytokinins. These are used to encourage cell division in plant roots. Each type has its own special role, but in most cases, gardeners use products containing auxins for rooting purposes. Using rooting hormones is quite simple but requires some care. Here's a general guide. 1. Prepare the cutting. Take a healthy cutting from the parent plant. 2. Apply the hormone. Dip the cut end into the rooting hormone powder or solution. 3. Plant the cutting. Place the treated cutting into soil or a soilless growing medium. 4. Care for the cutting. Provide appropriate water, light, and temperature until the cutting develops roots. Remember, it's crucial to follow the product's instructions and handle the hormones with care, as they are potent substances. Using rooting hormones has several benefits. Enhanced root growth. Cuttings develop roots faster and are more robust. Increased success rate. There's a higher chance of the cutting successfully turning into a healthy plant. Disease prevention. Healthy roots can help prevent diseases that attack weak or undeveloped roots. And that's the root of the matter. Rooting hormones are a powerful tool in a gardener's kit, helping to nurture new life from old, and ensuring the circle of growth continues strong and unbroken. We hope this video has planted the seeds of understanding in your mind and will help your gardening endeavors blossom. Happy planting, and see you in our next video.